Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. Thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my tutorials. Your love and support is highly appreciated. Please give this video more watch time. Remember to subscribe now, like and comment. Turn on the notification bell to get notified to see my new tutorials. You'll be the first to see it and watch and learn from it. So today's tutorial is engaging. I will be sharing with you how to cut and sew a stylish fitted dress with ruffle, and it's going to also have front slits. Please keep on watching to see the end of this tutorial, and I'm going to also wear it out for you guys to see the fitness of this dress that I'm making today. Like I said, let us get started now with our tutorial for today, guys. I have my 2 yards of my floral material. You know I am not too big in size, so I'm going to fold my fabric into 4 pieces, and it's an off shoulder fitted dress with ruffle, and it's going to also have front slits in front. So guys, keep on watching so that you can see the fitness of this dress that I'm making today. Guys, I'm going to remove 5" from my table to get my length. Okay, so I'll first of all draw a straight line to guide us to take our measurement, but remember it's an off shoulder that I'm making, so I'm going to remove 5" from my table to start my measurement. Yes, my neck is by 4" and I'm going to bring it down by 2". Okay, so before I will take the length of my dress, which is 35". Okay, so I'm taking the length of my dress and it's 35". So guys, give this video more watch time, please. All right, so my width of my dress, I'm marking 11". Okay, so I'm going to just give a curve for the back neckline is by 2". So I'll just give a curve for that. So now I'm going to mark my armhole by 1". Then I will just draw a straight line to connect the marks. Right? So I'm going to also mark my half length, which is 15". I'll take my bust measurement now, and it's 36", and also add 1" for my allowance. My waist measurement is 28" and also add 1" for my stitching allowance. Now I also mark 25" for my hip line. Okay, so on my hip line, that's where I will mark my hip measurement, which is 40". Okay, I hope you are getting it, guys. So what I'll do, I'll connect all the lines together. Okay, please, I added 1" for my hip measurement for my sewing allowance. Okay, so now I'm connecting all the lines together. Okay, so I'm going to shift my fabric so that you guys can see what I'm going to do at my hem line. Okay, so I want to shape it by 36" on my hem line. Okay, so guys, I hope you are getting it. So I'll just connect the marks now down to my hem line. All right, don't forget we are using 2 yards of this floral material to achieve this style, and it's because of my size. Okay, all right, so guys, I added 1" for my zipper allowance. Okay, so because I folded everything together, including the zipper allowance, and don't forget I'm cutting the front piece and the back piece together, so I added 1" for my zipper allowance. All right, so now I'm cutting. So guys, please give this video thumbs up. You can also share it with your loved ones. Please ask them to also watch my tutorial, this particular tutorial, to the end for you guys to support my channel to grow. And you can also comment like this particular tutorial that you are watching now. You can comment, let me know what you think about today's tutorial, guys. You can also check my other tutorials that I have on my channel, and don't forget to also turn on your notification bell to get notified. You'll be the first to see my new tutorials so that you can watch it and also learn from it, guys. And our long tutorial is on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget about that, guys. So like I said, I'm cutting the front piece and the back piece together. So we folded it into 4 pieces, including the zipper allowance, which was 1 inch that I added for that. So guys, keep on watching because I'm going to also wear out this style that we are making today. I'm going to wear out the dress so that you can see the fitness of it after stitching it. My dress has a slit in front, okay, so please keep on watching. So I will just mark 4 inch from my hemline to where I want my slit to stop, okay. So I marked 6 inch for that. So when making your own, please just follow this procedure and you are going to also get it. And if you don't understand this particular tutorial, guys, you need to watch it again and again. So after watching it again, you are going to see the outcome and you'll be able to cut and sew it on your own. All right. So this is what I have. You can see how neat it is, the slit. So I'll just run a stitch on it. All right, guys. So this is my material that I'm going to use for my ruffle. So I'm going to just mark 10 inch for my width, okay. So after that, I'll just cut it out. Then I'll take it to my sewing machine. I'll run a stitch on it. Then I'm going to also show you guys how to drag it. So this is the fabric for the ruffle that we are going to also attach at the bottom of my dress, okay. So you can see how simple it is for you to cut and sew this particular style that I'm making today, guys. I have stitched it now, so I will just draw the thread to make it to gather. So after that, I will just attach it to the edge of my dress to complete the length of my dress. Alright, I hope you are following up, guys. So guys, keep on watching to see the fitness of the dress that we are making today. So this is my sleeve now. It's a small puff sleeve that I'm going to cut now, okay. So guys, so I'll just go ahead now to take the width, which is 7 inch. All right, so it's 7 inch for the width, and my length of my sleeve, I'm going to go by 20 inch for the length of my sleeve. So after that, I'll just take it to the sewing machine. I've done that, and this is how to pass your elastic through the sleeve so that it can buff out. So after buffing the sleeve out, so I'll just attach it to my dress that I'm making today. Don't forget, I'm cutting a stylish fitted dress with ruffle. It's very easy. So this is the sleeve, so I'll just attach it to my dress and my dress will be ready for me to wear out so that you can see the fitness. My dress is ready, guys. Fine and simple for the season. Stylish fitted front slit dress with ruffle. Thank you for watching. Please give this video more watch time. Remember to subscribe, like and comment. Let me know what you think about my tutorial today. So guys, keep a date again with me. Alright, and don't forget to give this video more watch time, and you can also share it with your family members. Please ask them to also watch this particular tutorial down to the end, guys. Please, you can help me to watch my other tutorials that I have on my channel now.